Ready to conquer the podcasting world and get your show heard far and wide? Awesome! Today, we're diving into how to snag that crucial RSS feed link from Buzzsprout, a vital step to submitting your podcast to all the major directories and broadcasting your audio to the world. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to buzzsprout.com. Once you're on the Buzzsprout dashboard, make sure you're logged into your account. This is your podcast control center and where your entire show lives. Now, navigate to the episodes section. You may see a variety of things here. Look around on the page, and you should find Get Your RSS Feed and locate it. It's usually near the right side of the page and hard to miss. You'll be directed to a new screen that displays your podcast information. Do you see it? Congratulations! That's the RSS feed link for your show. Now, to use this link for submission, find the copy link and click it. You're all set to spread the word. Now you've got your RSS feed. This is the critical link you'll submit to podcast directories like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and many more. Paste your feed into the submission forms on these platforms. That'll allow listeners to find your show and subscribe. And there you have it. With your RSS feed link in hand, submitting to podcast directories is simple. Thanks for watching, and happy podcasting.